I'm here with our customer Ralph, Mr. Ralph. We have taken care of his Skeeter boat over there and his Contender here. So we've been here, I think this is the third day we've been.
Yes.
We're going to be coming for another half day to get the back of these boats done. But I just wanted to ask you what your experience has been with Vibrant, your honest experience. You know, any feedback that you could give a potential client is helpful. So, Mr. Ralph, take it away.
All right. You know, when you see their ad and you contact them, they're going to give you a price and you're going to say, ooh, that's a little pricey. But I will tell you from my own experience, they've got great personnel. They come down from Fort Myers. I'm on Marco Island. And they are here working from the moment they get here to the moment they leave, hours later. And the job they do is exceptional. You get what you pay for. I know what a cheap job looks like, and I wasn't happy with it. I'm more than happy with the work that's been done here by Vibrant, and his staff is excellent. So,
Come on, get in.
Yeah. Here's one of the fellows right here, Dylan. He's a master tech, I would say, at boat detailing.
He's the guy.
And
Caleb's the guy too.
Caleb, come on over here. You got to get in on this too. Here's another young man that is really quite exceptional.
For sure. He came in, so Dylan's been with the company, I don't know if they told you, for about 5 years.
Yep.
Caleb's what, 5 months maybe? Yeah. 5 months or so, and he's killing it. He's doing amazing. He came in as a little bit of a boat specialist.
Yeah.
So.
Well, I know you guys do motorhomes and automobiles and all that, but I'll tell you, these guys really know their stuff on boats, and I appreciate what you're doing.
Of course.
And I'm glad we caught up.
Definitely.
And met up with you. I would anticipate that you'll be back to do some more work in the future.
That'd be awesome. Mr. Ralph, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate you. For anybody out there interested in, like you said, car, RV, or boat detailing, call Vibrant. Take care of you. Thanks so much.